thanks for joining us today. We are going to count Talia's fidgets, Molito's fidgets, and my little bit of fidgets. So, whatever. Steal all of her fidgets. I paid for them. So, my son is about to join us. I see him walking over here. He's like, you won't leave me out. Touching my fidgets. So we will count his first so that he can have his back. Okay, I'm going to get started. I'm going to count Lolito's fidgets. He doesn't have very much. He has 6 of these suction cups. So I count these. I have 6 of these. And 6. And then he has 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, 7. 7 of these. Wait a minute. This is why I don't count these things. And 6. It's supposed to be 8 actually.
Yeah.
So he's missing one. He has this one. So true. He has these. Not that green. Is it that green? So
You don't have no
so
fidget.
these are all his.
How did slime become a fidget?
How did slime become a fidget? Because like slime was her thing for the longest. Okay.
Yeah.
So I have some more over here that I'm trying to get organized. So
Let me see
that
one of these.
2 of these. 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. You're missing 4. You're missing 1.
No.
Mochis.
Good idea. Okay, I got 28.
You're 18. That's 28. 46. 46. Oh, jeez. So all the mochis. Well, we have 6 of these. Plus this one's got to be 7.
Yeah.
So we got
One is
7.
missing of this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
17 emo.
We could just call these shaggy balls.
Yeah.
We just call these shaggy balls.
Shaggy balls.
Yeah.
Shaggy balls. You have some shaggy balls.
4 of these. So,
So 4.
go for the shaggy balls.
Oh, you have a big one. Oh, it's over there. It says 5.
5 shaggy balls. I cleaned this well. Just balls.
Yeah, just
1,
balls.
2, 3, 4. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. I have many needles. Where are they?
Yeah, there's more. Right? These are the big ones. The other ones are
1,
mixed.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 needles.
And you have the other one. Oh, no, the other one.
15, 17, 18 needles. Orange upstairs. 18, 19, 20, 21, 22,
That's a lot of darn fidgets.
23,
We gotta make a game right.
24 needles. 24 needles. So I need a new purple pink one.
Mm.
1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11,
That goes with 25.
12. Wait, I got mixed up with that one. Wait,
So
a block
we're
right
doing
here.
25.
Right, hold up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 air globbles.
12.
1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, 5. And 5 of these. I mean, globbles are still fun. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. 14. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh, shoot. This goes with the
What's the final look at?
Oh shoot. Selena's playing with Fidget. See? This is what happens when I count them and put them together. She messes them up during count. She playing with them.
Then bring with the random bin.
Yeah, go ahead.
This is not random though. It has a toy with it.
Give me-
Wait, it popped. One
What did you
pop.
go with?
5 little ones. Well, one of them popped. So let's take it to the random.
Okay.
Thank you, Miss. You better go to 7-Eleven for those pop.
Oh, I know where.
We have to pick up your prescription.
No, don't need that.
Okay, we're just gonna count the random bin. 1,
Wait, the 3. Just count. Don't worry, whatever.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
Oh, that's just my shirt.
10, and 11. Other monkey noodles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 of the monkeys. 1, 2.
This is a Rubik's Cube.
This is more like a wacky track.
Oh, yeah, go ahead.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is it not a Rubik's?
Yeah, these things fill in.
1, 2, 3, 4,
You
5,
have another Rubik's Cube.
6. Here's the other Rubik's cube.
Is that both of them?
Yeah.
None is missing?
Nothing missing.
Oh, Rubik's Cube and then this is not.
That's actually
Whatever it's
a.
called.
But yeah, there's only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
So 6 in that bin.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16.
Oh, no, no, no. That doesn't go. Let's keep going.
Wait, I got 13?
Oh, no.
15. I can't remember. I'm gonna do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 of the random bin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 of these. Here's my flat box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I think there was more things around the house.
There is more.
But we're just counting the C right this is.
Okay, so we are.
This is the ESMR stuff. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No. Yeah, 5, 6, 7. Ow, Mom, ow. What's that?
Okay.
There's madness in here. That was not good. I just got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
Go with this. Doesn't make it
9,
scary.
10. Yeah. 10. Go on count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is another random. This is another random. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, and 32. There was originally 10 of these. There was 8 of them. Okay, 1.
We have 2 sticky gummy things, so
That's actually
this is 1. We have 2.
2
2 sticky
sticky
things.
gummy things. Alright, now we're going for the dimple. 1, 2, well, more like fat brain. 1, 2,
Offering.
well, over. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14,
We're going to count with that.
14, 15, 3,
And
4, 5.
This is yo-yo. No.
Water for 2, 4, 5, 6,
Can't see.
7. 2, 3, that's one pop, and 4.
Okay.
These are 4 pop tubes. 4 pop tubes.
And that's it. No more hot tubes.
1,
We're getting
2,
down.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Nope. That's
13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63.
63 cycles.
Oh, 64 cycles.
Another miscellaneous bin.
3, 4, 5.
3 times.
There's 5. This is a giant gummy bear. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have more of these actually upstairs in my room. So there's 7 of them is ribbon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
You see that?
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18.
There's way more than that. But, for the benefit of the doubt, we'll go to 18. These are new ones. From like last month.
And I'm
She
being
was
from
banned from slime and I like trash. As much
all
as
of
I
my
could.
homemade stuff, like everything. Even my activated. And I got new blue for Christmas. Oh,
Okay. Oh, wait a minute.
20.
You said 18.
Yeah, so this is 19. 2, 3, 4.
It's another. These are the Orbeez.
Yeah.
The fish no one here, but it's okay.
Wait, we have a set.
Oh yeah, we can go
Let's
with
count this. We haven't done yet. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, and 29. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18.
There's way more than that up there.
Yep. Yep, I've been collecting these cookies before all of this came out for Fidgets.
There's more than
1,
one.
2, 3, 4,
Wow, please.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, and 27.
Okay, and then you have some upstairs, I know for sure. I have one.
And Poppy has it.
So I say 29. Okay, now you add them all up. See what we get.
Yeah.
Ow. Ow. Now I'll add them all up. 20 plus 3.
Uh-oh.
40. I'm off work. 46. Someone's calling me. 14. 10. It's 25. It's 13. It's 5. 14. It's 11. 18. 6. 20. 14. 15. It's 10. 6. 4. 3. 2. 15. 5. 7. Is that your stomach?
I'm hungry.
64. 18.
We forgot about these.
You guys count them?
I was looking at your word bin.
536.
Guys, I found my chopstick.
So, those are 2.
Mhm.
6, 38. There you go. Okay. So, 538 it is.
538?
Oh.
538. But I forgot these. And then we found 2 more. Wow.
Well, those are for, like, something else.
So, these I'm going to put towards my giveaway pile. Because I had a few
Can I
of
bring
them.
that down?
No. But these are going to go in my giveaway pile.
Yes.
So,
We have a lot of those. Avnina has spider webs in it.
got spider webs in it.
When I have scented sand,
You have 3 of these, but you have, oh gosh, you got more stuff over there. Is this even a fidget? Is this a fidget? I'm not gonna count these as fidgets. I'm done with these.
I want to play with them. My sister sandwich doesn't smell like
So we are not even including all the other slime packs that she has. Like this here, which these are now considered fidgets, I guess. It's just so crazy. So we had them all in a bin and we counted them in their own bins to come up with how many fidgets she has.